today I have the Lights Lacquer Polly Pocket collaboration. I wanted to do this intro a little bit differently just so I could actually get it posted on time, because the last time I had a Lights Lacquer video, half the collection sold out before I could post it. Hair and makeup takes me way too long, so we're doing the intro like this today. So this is a collection of 4 jelly polishes based on the Polly Pocket toys that I'm sure a lot of us played with as kids. And I mean the real Polly Pockets, like the choking hazard Polly Pockets, not those weird 3-inch ones with the stretchy clothes that they came out with when my niece was younger. So 4 polishes here, 2 regular jellies and 2 with this really nice holographic shimmer. There are also some nail charms available, which are really cool. They're really iridescent, chunky nail charms, very, very 90s looking, as well as these new nail art tattoos that are coming out. So I will link the Lights Lacquer website down below where you guys can check these out. I also have a coupon/affiliate code with Lights Lacquer, which has been on the screen and will also be in the description box. 4 polishes altogether, and I will get into the swatches. So the first polish is called It's the Little Things, and this is described as a light orchid with a translucent jelly finish. Now this is a jelly, so it is meant to be sheer. One of the things that I really need in a jelly for it to be good to me is a even coverage. Sheer is fine with me, but if it's streaky and uneven, then what is the point? So this was very nice, very even, and leveled itself out really, really well. Formula felt fantastic, it built up really well. I ended up doing 3 coats for full opacity, well, full-ish for a jelly. I could still see a little bit of nail line, but it wasn't much. I love that milky pink color, and I really like how this went on as well. So that is 3 coats of It's the Little Things. The next polish is called Polyfill, and this is described as a soft fuchsia with a translucent jelly finish. This one is also really good. So the first coat is obviously sheer. It is a jelly, so that is the point. But like the last one, it's very even. It's not streaky at all. It levels itself out really nicely and just overall covers the nail very, very evenly. I ended up doing 3 coats on this one as well. I actually didn't mind it in 2 coats, but if it's a jelly, I just feel like I should do 3 to see what it can do. Again, it covered almost completely. Better than the last polish, but if you look closely, you could still see a little bit of nail line. I think if you have longer nails and a whiter nail line, it's going to be a little bit more obvious. So that is 3 coats of Pollyville. The next polish is called Tiny is Mighty, and this is described as a soft lavender with diamond shimmer and a translucent jelly finish. Also a jelly, so pretty sheer. It is more sheer than I was expecting just based on the previous polishes, but you do get a really nice holographic sparkle out of that, and the base isn't overwhelming that sparkle at all. I was very happy with how much that second coat built up, because when I was looking at the first coat, I was a little sketched out about how this was going to turn out, but the second and third coat built up really, really nicely. And this is a really fine holographic shimmer. It's not like chunky like a glitter at all, so you won't have any texture issues and it won't be difficult to remove. So that is 3 coats of Tiny is Mighty. And the last polish is called Pocket World, and this is described as a seafoam teal with diamond shimmer and a translucent jelly finish. Again, more sheer than I expected in the first coat, just based on those 2 pinks earlier in the collection, but after swatching the last one, I was pretty confident that this would still build up fine on the second and third coats, and it did. This covered almost completely for me in 3 coats. I did have a little bit of nail line showing. Again, if you have much longer nails and more nail line, you're going to have more of that showing across this entire collection than I do here because my nails are pretty short. And this is the same holographic shimmer from the last polish, so you won't have any issues with texture or removal like you would with the glitter. So that is 3 coats of Pocket World. Overall, I am really, really happy about this collaboration. I think it was done very, very well. It really embodied all of the Polly Pocket memories that I have. My 2 favorites are definitely It's the Little Things and Polly World, the 2 pink jellies. They were just really, really good jellies, and I know I wasn't super in love with the white jelly that came out in the Dream a Little Dream quad, and this totally redeemed that polish for me. I'm even more impressed with It's the Little Things because it's a milky jelly, and those are even harder to get even, so just really, really like this overall. So that is the Lights Lacquer Polly Pocket collaboration. Again, I will link the website down below where you guys can check those out because they are available right now. I also have a coupon/affiliate code with Lights Lacquer, which has been up on the screen and will also be down in the description box. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will talk to you later.